Parmigiano Reggiano. I'm just gonna go in for a little bite. It is so creamy. Has that little salty bite to it. I love making fettuccine Alfredo. Now, the classic version is just Parmigiano Reggiano, a little butter, and lots of pepper. But I'm putting my little twist on this recipe. Some really nice spicy garlic, some really heavy cream. And that cream is gonna add that really nice richness to this dish. And once I see a nice little bubble in the cream, I'm ready for that cheese. There we go. Off the heat, so that cheese can melt really nicely without cooking out. Nice freshly cracked pepper, just a pinch of salt. In all of my cream sauces, I add a little pinch of nutmeg. That pinch of nutmeg adds that nice background flavor, and a little goes a long way with this, so careful. Otherwise, it's gonna taste really floral. Parsley is gonna add that freshness to this really creamy and rich dish. My sauce is all ready. I've got my fettuccine here ready to cook up. And we are flavoring every layer. Salt in the pasta, a little salt in the boiling water. This is gonna go really quick. Once the pasta comes to the top, it's ready to go. Takes about a minute or so. And just like that, it's ready to go. And it's really important to keep that water stuck to those noodles. It's gonna help that sauce stick to it. Parmigiano Reggiano will forever be my favorite cheese.